Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something really exciting to share with you. If you've ever dreamt of making $1,000 per week from the comfort of your home, then you're in for a treat. In this video, we're diving deep into the Pinterest Clickbank Challenge. Stick around till the end because we'll be revealing some incredible tips and tricks that can help you turn your Pinterest account into a cash-generating machine. But before we jump into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our money-making strategies. Alright, let's get started. Segment 1. What is the Pinterest Clickbank Challenge? So, what exactly is the Pinterest Clickbank Challenge? It's a powerful method that combines the popularity of Pinterest with the vast affiliate marketplace of Clickbank. It's a proven way to earn a consistent income online, and here's how it works. You find high-converting products on Clickbank, create engaging pins for them, and then promote these pins on Pinterest. When people click on your pins and make a purchase, you earn commissions. It's simple, effective, and the best part? You can do this from anywhere in the world. Segment 2. Why Pinterest and Clickbank? Now, you might be wondering, why Pinterest and Clickbank? Well, Pinterest is a goldmine for driving traffic, especially if you know how to do it right. It's a visual search engine with millions of active users looking for inspiration and solutions every day. Plus, Clickbank offers thousands of products in various niches, so you can choose the ones that align with your interests and your audience's needs. Segment 3. Tips to crush the Pinterest Clickbank Challenge. Let's talk about some tips to help you crush the Pinterest Clickbank Challenge and make that $1,000 per week. 1. Niche selection. Start by selecting a niche you're passionate about. This makes it easier to create content and connect with your audience. 2. Keyword research. Use relevant keywords in your pin descriptions and titles to make your content discoverable. 3. Eye-catching pins. Design visually appealing pins that stand out and compel users to click. 4. Consistency. Consistency is key. Regularly pin and update your content to keep your audience engaged. Segment 4. Real-life success stories. But don't just take our word for it. Here are some real-life success stories from individuals who've aced the Pinterest Clickbank Challenge. Sarah from Texas made $1,200 in her first month, and Mark from California is now earning a full-time income solely through this method. Segment 5. Getting started. So, how can you get started with the Pinterest Clickbank Challenge today? Head over to Clickbank, sign up for free, and start exploring products in your chosen niche. Then, create stunning pins, optimize your Pinterest profile, and start pinning like a pro. And that's a wrap for today's video, folks. We hope you're as excited about the Pinterest Clickbank Challenge as we are. Remember, with dedication and the right strategies, you can absolutely make $1,000 per week or more. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends who might also be interested in this opportunity. Thank you for joining us today. Stay tuned for more money-making tips, and as always, keep hustling. See you in the next video.